So Brian White looks like he's the early leader. No, Matt Noto now the leader. Oh,
that car just put a ton of money into him.
These guys gonna battle it out all the way to the end. Even this match starts at 10 vintage rides. I don't know how vintage they are.
Busted chassis
looks pretty good.
Made it, I don't believe it.
We're on the track with a huge bumper on Brian White. What do you need that for?
Racing against Matt.
Matt Noto's about to find out. Here it is, the chrome horn. I've seen that move 1,000 times. There he is, Brian White taking over the lead. Matt Noto falling back a little bit. Looks like he snapped a hold or something. Getting bad advice from the pits right now. 3:25 to go. We got Brian White up in the lead, Matt Noto in 2. Oh, here it comes, the battle for the lead right now. Oh, Brian White rolls it. Loses a whole lot of time. Matt Noto taking over the lead. Matt just toying with Brian. Yeah, hit me with that horn. Hit me. Hit me. So vintage RC10s, a good cheap way to get into racing. They're tough cars. A lot of fun. Oh, trouble for Brian White. Matt Noto not waiting for him. Forget that. Like an SCTE is on the line.
Oh no! Don't man go, man. Look what you keep going. Either that or we wanted the challenge.
2:10 to go. 2:10 to go. 1 and 2 battling it out. This is a battle for the lead through the infield right now over the crossover.
Jump and land on the other side. The other ones aren't doing that.
Matt Noto has it, but Brian White wants to stick that chrome horn. Oh, he upends it over here over the tabletop. Matt Noto just waiting. Again, toying around with Brian White. Brian tags the boards. Andrew Noy says, I'm going to change this track for Friday. Maybe.
He's over again.
Chad Sankow with a save. He had to make up for something there. I wonder what. So he saves the SCTE from taking a spill. 1:15 to go. Matt Noto. Brian White. It's a good battle on the track, so check out the hobby shop. If you don't have an RC10, go get one. Vintage RC10. Look at that. Matt Noto just playing games. Playing games with Brian White. Kind of like Bill Gajowski does with everybody else around here. No, it's less than that. 45. There. Brian White, slim lead over Matt Noto. Wow, Matt getting a little sideways over the tabletop, or the crossover. "20 seconds. Well, Brian White not waiting for Matt Noto.
I know you're ready for me, but
yeah, for 32 pitch gears, those things are quiet. 2 seconds. This is it, last lap.
Really? Okay.
No holds barred. Here we go, Brian White slowing down, waiting. Matt Noto having trouble. Here they come in front of the driver's stand, side by side. Oh no, Brian White rolls it over.
He's not waiting.
Matt Noto waiting at the straightaway. Here we go, playing games. Drag race, here we go! Matt Noto takes it down. Brian White, 2.